Hey, this is Alex again with AirChatty CRM, and now I want to talk to you about URL redirection. And what is a 301 redirect, and how you can redirect to another URL, funnel, or website. It's important to know that sometimes you want to keep the previous link that you had just because it was indexed by Google, and you don't really want to lose your ranking position in Google with that particular link, rather than completely deleting it and leave it like this in the air, where the robots, Google robots, will not be able to check it anymore. And if somebody's clicking on the website, on the link on Google, it will show a 404 page, no page found, or whatever. Then you can use the 301 redirect for your domain, and I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So in AirChatty CRM, if you go to sites and you go to URL redirects, okay, right here at the top right you have add a redirect. You can choose the domain, and basically here you can choose the old path. Okay, so if you had an old path, I don't know, it was something like let's say May offer. Let's say you had a May offer and now is June. You want to, even though people still end up on the May offer, you want them on the June offer as well. Okay, so in this case you can choose a redirect type like this. Okay, you can go with URL and specify the URL where it goes, or you want funnel, you can take them to a new funnel and which page of that particular funnel. Okay, or you can choose a website and you can select the website and which page of that particular website you want to be redirected. Okay, so basically that's gonna show you so this link here, that's why I had a question mark, because I had a slash after. This is the old link, and when they click on this old link they will be redirected to website, one of my websites in the website section, which website and which page on that website. Or I can just simply say google.com. I'm just gonna, this is a test. Let's do the test. So if I go botwizards.io/May offer, will I end up on Google? Boom, I end up on Google. Okay, so URL redirections, as per Go High Level Support Portal, can be used in multiple ways, these 3 ways actually. And then if you want to learn more about the different particular configurations that you can do, you can always consult this website as well. But I think it's fairly straightforward and easy for you to understand that you can manipulate your links, and always do this. If a link is indexed in Google, leave it there. Use a 301 redirection for it if you change anything, or if you change the destination of that link, or if you remove the link or change the link completely. Okay, so I hope that's it. You understood the URL redirection very well, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial as well. I'll see you in the next one.